Someone has been touching it. It can be the reason why it's not moving in the bus. Usually it should be almost in a line every damper. I was lucky today that I went straight. Hello, today I'm going to fix a damper problem in this Bosendorfer grand piano. The head's not here. The damper is not working. We take a better look at it. What I have to do. Here we can see it. Open the grand piano. And we see that this damper here is stuck. So maybe something is between or something here. I have to check. So I have to take the mechanism out to find out what is the problem. I have to take this here. Here. So, sometimes we find nice things like this here inside the piano. Some pencil. Use some light to find out what it is. How to lower the tripod I have here. Maybe I can zoom a little in here, find out what is the problem with this damper. Why is he not going down? I'm checking here everything is okay. Find out here. Sometimes we have some little fingers pushing the damper, so that's not the best. And we have to fix the problems if someone has been touching it too hard. How to see it here? I don't know if you can see it. I took the damper up. Just a little, to bend it a little, the damper. So the problem is solved. Was some little stuck this damper. I think someone has been touching it on the side, some little fingers. Check the line here under, if they are okay. Nothing is in between, so everything is not touching nothing. But when I take a look at the damper line, when I take a look at the damper line, when I put the damper up, I think this piano was repaired many years ago. They changed the strings, hammers and damper, felt and everything. And they are too quick coming up here in the discount. When I start touching little, they start moving here. Usually it should be almost in a line, every damper in a line when I touch the pedal. But I see here, it's when I touch the pedal little here, it's not moving in the bus. But it's working now. So I put the piano together. So the damper is working. And I put it in again. The problem was someone has been putting the fingers maybe on the damper and bend it, so I had to put it in the right position and it's not stuck any longer. It's here. So it's free now, it's okay with the damper. I fixed that. Now we put the mechanism inside. When I play this C note here, like like some metal sound with it. Usually when I look around here, if something is moving, I see over there we have a drum set of drum in the corner here. So sometimes when this one here is on, I take here, it can be the reason why the metal sound is in the piano. So I take it off here. So then we go back to the piano. The piano is here. Okay, and we find out. So the metal sound is not any longer. So the reason why it was a metal sound was the drum set there. So when we were playing, it was moving the things in the drum. The resonance on this note was moving that. Sometimes when we are in a room like this and we have some metal sound, like I was telling you about, sometimes it's a problem to find where the sound is coming from. Is something laying on the soundboard, something close to the instrument we're shaking with? Sometimes we have the lights up here. We have, everything can move, so we have to just find out what it is. But I was lucky today that I went straight to the drum set to find out what it was. The problem is solved. Put this here together. Close the piano. Tomorrow they can teach on this piano without the problem that the damper was sitting up and was not damping the strings. So this is a Bosendorfer grand piano, 225. The length of it, centimeters, 225. And so today, fixing a little damper problem, almost 7 o'clock in the evening, so I can go home after being around 12 hours today like yesterday, since I start working in the morning. See you later, and thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. It's nice to be with you here, you and me and the grand pianos and the pianos. Thank you. Bye-bye.